Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this very beautiful Longines automatic, the Las Vegas Conquest edition, which comes with the mechanical movement. So you also have the Las Vegas Conquest with the quartz movement, but this one, since it is an automatic, it comes with the mechanical movement. Very beautiful piece. It comes with the original signed bracelet. Very good condition. A few minor scratches, some signs of aging, but other than that, the watch is very beautiful and it keeps good time. Now, if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this one. So guys, as you can see, we have a very interesting classic design with a two-tone case and bracelet, the date complication with the automatic movement. We have an exposition case, as you can see, very beautiful. You can see the movement, you can see the watch running. You also have this rotor that is signed, so you have everything written here. Let me try to show you. So as you can see, it has Las Vegas Conquest, and this is the moving rotor. Very nice piece. It comes once again with the original signed Longines bracelet. The watch is in very good condition, and if you would like to purchase it, once again, link in the description below. So that was the video, guys. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe, like the video, check out our website, and until next time, guys, all the best.